Hello. We just arrived at airport. 3 a.m.
Morning. Morning. Wait, hold on, let me check myself. Oh, look like a mess. It's okay, hot mess.
Hot mess. What? Hot mess.
Join the rest.
Okay. Go. Oh yeah.
Morning. It's already, what time is it now? Hold on, let me see. It's 3, I don't know, 40 something.
15.
New hair color.
Uncle.
This is
Auntie.
the tour group to Taiwan. Hi yo. And hi P. Hi
Happy. Busy.
Oh, they're busy. Oh, yo,
Hi guys. So twinning today. See?
Oh. New Balance. Sketches.
The jacket.
Black pants.
Oh my god.
Which Pinterest site you can do?
I don't know.
No power bank or anything like this.
No bank? No. Right here.
Unlock.
Eh, going to green.
Ambil.
Oh yeah. So white are you here?
Huh?
So white. Ooh.
What do you mean so white?
No, inside the DJI.
Hmm?
I think it's because the lighting got. I know.
Anh Nhung.
Breakfast.
Chào anh. Chào anh. Chào.
Breakfast pakai ais. Breakfast. Jemput-jemput. Jemput-jemput makan.
Mine.
This is
It's still 5 a.m. in the morning. We just jalan-jalan around the
Cari perfume.
cari perfume.
someone's fish tank.
Anything? Ada Dior ya? Oh ya. Oh. Ini semua jalan ya? Berak. Okay, enggak. Hi guys, already inside the plane.
Hi.
Now we're on the way to Taiwan.
Taipei.
So it's
You
gonna
look so
be
bright.
like a
3 hour
3 hours 30 minutes flight. You think so?
Are you going to sleep?
I think so. Yeah. Guess we're gonna walk a lot today.
Yeah.
We're gonna travel.
Morning dear guests, this is Malaysia Echo 15102 Taipei.
Going to
Please
travel a
record
lot.
this speaking refill for your safety. Please be seated and unfasten your seatbelt.
we'll
Usage
see you
of
again
electronic
in,
devices is
let's
not
say goodbye.
permitted.
Yeah, no,
Smoking
I'm just
and
saying we'll see you again in the
strictly
next 3
prohibited.
hours.
Thank you.
I think we'll update from time to time during the flight.
Selamat pagi para tetamu yang dihormati, ini adalah penerbangan Malaysia EK1510
let's hope
menuju ke
that we have a safe
Taipei.
flight today.
Yeah.
Pesawat ini
No
sedang diisi
turbulence.
minyak untuk
Please
keselamatan
don't.
anda saat
The weather seems good.
tanggalkan dari
Hopefully it's
kendaraan
good
dan
all the way.
penggunaan peranti
How the
elektronik
weather is
tidak
good. Yep.
dibenarkan.
Now time
Merokok
to see you in
termasuk
Taiwan.
penggunaan e-rokok adalah dilarang sama sekali. Terima kasih.
Let's see that.
Nah,
The rest. Bye. See you in a while. Oh. So already arrived Taiwan.
Landed.
And
Finally, after 3 hours long flight.
sunflower. Take picture for a while while waiting the rest. Hey.
Okay, so far everything is
It's good.
clear off.
Everything.
No issues.
Luggage. Collect our
Now
luggage.
we're about to take our luggage.
And
There's like a total of how many luggages? 6, 7, 8.
8 I think, including mine.
So this is how it looks like the hall.
Oh, I didn't have luggage. Oh, wait. Hi. Settle already.
I'm hungry though.
Me too.
But then after this ride, we directly go
Tour where?
to Yin Yang Sea. The band is here.
Oh, okay.
Already?
Yep.
The band is here.
Oh, it's mine. It's mine.
We're heading towards Yin Yang Sea view.
Yeah. So we're actually hungry.
Yeah.
But
Just past our
I
lunch.
have to wait.
Past our lunch time.
Are you hungry?
Hi. Where we are?
We are in Jiufen.
Jiufen Street.
Old Street.
Old Street.
Jiufen.
Old Street. We're going to eat.
Yes, with some with the view, sea view. So the tour guide is gonna bring us to the restaurant with the sea view because
Oh.
apparently the one that we wanted to go, we drove past already.
Oh.
Yeah. So then he said he also knows some
Somewhere lah.
similar place. So that's
Is that
where not so sure, but that will be our next destination for our lunch.
Lunch.
Yeah.
Look at the building. So nice. This is temple.
Yeah, it should be a temple. How do
Hi.
you feel until now? Your turn. I would like to
I'm just
interview.
hungry.
Yeah, you're just hungry.
I'm just hungry. And sleepy.
Yes.
But the view quite nice. So
Ta-da.
far, so good.
This is like our overseas trip for the year. Is it?
Yes, I think
Yeah.
so.
Okay.
The rest is still developed.
Yeah. Go to the mushroom.
The driving going here is so god.
Yes. Now I don't think I'm gonna drive. Yes.
I cannot drive.
I don't think I can drive also.
Oh my god. How are they good? So pro. Up there.
Up first and then I record for update.
It's a lot. Upstairs. Something is sweeping up there. Oh my god, this is tiring.
Are you guys ready? Past the entrance.
This is. Oh, okay. Huh? Oh. Oh my god, it's quite crowded.
Yeah, it's very crowded.
And so hot too.
It's weekend, Saturday.
Yeah. I hope we're not last time. Where are they?
I'm suffering, my bad.
Oh, hey, they had their food, eh?
Oh, the dried one? Oh, it's okay. I mean, it's freeze dried, that's nothing special on freeze dried.
I want the milk that they.
The stick are very nice, it smells so good.
It smells so good. I want.
Okay,
I want
after our lunch.
Okay, you should have it. What? Vegan? Oh, vegan. There's a lot of people here. See? Oh, no one is there.
Looks good, eh? Okay, let's go in there first.
Okay. So many new, so many good stuff. Oh my god. Oh.
Some wine. Oh! These are all wine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
I think I just asked Iba to share her location lah. No?
Oh, yeah, true, eh?
And then collecting this okay.
Kelab boleh ya. Just if you want to stop.
Lesser people here.
Hmm?
They have lesser people just around this side here.
Yeah, just like style.
Yeah. Alice Shanghai Mountain Tea.
Free.
It's okay, seriously.
哦，good. Okay.
So the crowd is just so insane. What are those?
What's that? Oh, this one is nice, eh? Wow. So cool, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, where are we going?
Where are we going? Where's this?
Up.
Oh, careful, your hand.
We're going to somewhere tunnel. I think it's tunnel.
Tunnel.
Oh.
Shortcut.
Wow.
A hidden gem.
What the? Bodoh budak tu. Oh.
How much better?
That's very high.
Ah. So
Yeah, it's much better here. This is so much better.
This is so cool.
Yes.
We
Breeze and
melalui
away
tunnel.
from people, away from the big crowds.
Yeah.
糖醋鸡。
Later found menu ya the chicken lah.
Yeah, sure. Can.
What? Why?
What?可以吧？可以。漂亮吧？这边是秘境。
Wow. It's cool.
So cool. Look at the view. So nice. Channel terbang
Channel terbang
My
antarabangsa.
channel, my welcome.
Okay.
A small pocket. Oh.
It's recording.
Chicken. Betul.
I cannot see
Where are we having lunch?
What's the name of this place again? Let's see. It's Jiufen, but
The restaurant.
oh my god. Hah? Dia bulu?
Oh.
Yo. Ini belakang ya.
Hey.
Yes.
It's 600. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
180.
Thank you. Wait a moment.
Capybara. Capybara. Now it's near waterfall. Near waterfall. So nice. It looks like stone. It does look like stone. Okay, where are we?
We're at the Yang Sea.
Yang Sea.
Yang Sea. So basically that's where the old
Ooh.
factory
Oh,
is and was, and it's no longer in operation.
no
So-
operation.
And I think it's a quartz. I don't know something.
Quartz.
Lombong.
Lombong.
The rock stones. I don't know what it is.
It's basically
Lombong.
gold, yeah.
I don't think it's gold.
Timah?
Really? Quartz. I don't know. Quartz. Look at that. Look at the whole view. Look at that.
Whatever our phone can.
I go up. I'll waiting for you lah. Basically. Cheers, we're gonna take a picture. This Oh, quite a view. I think this is the last destination for the day. That's all. Okay.
Jam tu dia jam. Jam mesin mana? Jam Malaysia.
Jom, jom sama lah.
Sama ke?
Second round, second round.
Second round.
Slow, 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 slow.
Okay.
Your turn.
Done.